did you get to know about our company?
I came across the advertisement on Facebook, and then I went to click in, and then I saw that the projects and the house is really nicely done. Yeah, so that's how I came across the company.
Okay. Which one is your favorite part in your house?
I think my room, because I really like the starry night done above my bed.
At the ceiling.
Yeah, at the ceiling.
Okay.
That one is really nice.
So every night you will on the light.
Yeah.
Wow.
Stargazing.
Okay. A house at the basement area, your entertainment area also very
right,
nice.
that one is one of my favorite part also.
Yeah.
If you
when
if
the
I can
friend
choose to. Yeah,
come.
so it's a like entertainment room, and the whole design is really nicely done up also.
Do you have something to share when the whole renovation progress or when we select the material? Do you have anything?
I think the whole progress is really very smooth, and is really a very pleasant experience because I've heard so much about reno bad experience, like the ID didn't care about them, but then like my experience with Rex and Relax is really very good. Grace and Lina really helped me throughout the whole process a lot. The colors that I want to choose for my carpentry and also the whole design, they were always very promptly to finalize whatever that I want.
Is there any improved area at your lifestyle after we do the renovation?
Everything is done up very nicely, like at the positions that suits my daily lifestyle and routine, like the place I put my skincare, the place I put my supplements. So it's over at a place that I can do it like a daily routine for myself. So I feel that that's an improvement in my overall lifestyle as compared to like last time. So for my own experience with Rex and Relax, Grace was really responsive and helpful even after the handover. Cause I remember there was once my friends came over and accidentally broke my door in my entertainment room. Then I contacted Grace to address the situation, and she actually came over the next day to solve the issue for me. After my encounter, she told me that actually Rex and Relax have launched an app which helps to track and record all the informations and details of my renovations. So in case of any further problems, I can easily retrieve all these informations from the app. Choosing Rex and Relax really gives me a peace of mind because they also provide the lifetime warranty, and you will just feel very assured. Grace also told me about the lifetime warranty that can be transferred to the next owner, so this would be an added benefit to increase the future value of my house if I were to sell it. I'm really grateful to Grace and the whole team as they make the whole process really seamless, and we are all very happy and impressed with the outcome, and would definitely recommend Rex and Relax to my friends and family.